Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic quadratic equations. Let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Now moving on to solution.
Now, as per the question, they are telling that like John and Jivanti, they both have altogether 45 marbles. Okay, let number of marbles with John, John with John is equal to X. We don't know how many marbles John is having. Similarly, let number of marbles, okay, let number of marbles with Jivanti, Jivanti is equal to Y. Okay, because we don't know how many marbles these two guys are holding, but we know that the total of this is 45. So we are considering the number of marbles with John as X and the number of marbles with Jivanti as Y. Now guys, total of number of marbles as per the question is 45. So let us also put that one here. Total number of marbles is nothing but John's marble plus Jivanti's marble, that is X plus Y is equal to 45. Guys, this is one equation we are getting, or I can write Y is equal to, or just I can write this one as Y is equal to 45 minus X. Okay, I believe guys till here it is pretty clear, and let us name this one as equation number 1. Now as per the question, again the second part of the question, it is telling that, or it is saying that both of them lost 5 marbles each, and after losing these 5 marbles, the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So guys, what I can write here, because they both lost 5 marbles, so and the product after losing 5 marbles is 124. That means X minus 5, John lost 5 marbles, and similarly Jivanti lost 5 marbles. I can write Y minus 5, and the product of these two is nothing but 124 as per the question. And our main objective is like find out how many marbles they had to start with. Okay, now let us solve this equation. We got this equation as equation number 1 is Y is equal to 45 minus X, and here in the second part we are getting X minus 5 into Y minus 5 is equal to 124 as per the question. This is given. We are not taking from anywhere. This is given as per the book, and this one is also given. Okay, now let us solve this one and see what we are getting. So guys, here what I will do, I will replace this value of Y with the value of Y that we got from equation 1. So let us do that. X minus 5 is equal to, instead of Y I will write 45 minus X minus 5 is equal to 124, or I can write X minus 5 into 45 minus 5 is nothing but 40 minus X is equal to 124, or I can write like X into 40 is 40X, X minus X is nothing but minus X square, minus 5 into 40 is nothing but minus 200, and here minus 5 into minus X is minus 5X is equal to 124. Okay, now guys, what we got, just multiplying these two, I got like 40X minus X square minus 200 minus 5X, sorry, minus 5 into minus X is nothing but plus 5X. So minus 200 plus 5X is equal to 124. Now let us solve this one, like and also arrange this one first. Minus X square, because this is a quadratic equation, so let us arrange this one as per the quadratic equation. We guys very well know the quadratic equation form is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I'm moving minus x square, and this 40x plus 5x is nothing but plus 45x, and minus 200 is equal to 124. Okay, now what I can do is let me move this 124 here, minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0, or minus x square plus 45x minus 324, because 200 minus 200 and minus 124 it adds up, and we are getting this one is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation as minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now guys, what we will do now, let me just erase this one. So the final equation that we got here is minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now let me just eliminate this minus. So what I will do, just I will multiply this one with minus, like I will multiply left hand side with minus 1 and right hand side with minus 1, so that I can get rid of this minus at least. So what I will do, multiplying minus 1 on both the sides of the equation, minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to minus 1 into 0. Guys, if we multiply the same thing on the both side of the equation, it will have no impact. For that reason I am multiplying minus 1 on the left side and minus 1 on the right side. So minus 1 into minus x square is nothing but plus x square, minus 1 into 4x is nothing but minus this one is 45x. So minus 1 into 45x is minus 45x, and minus 1 into minus 324 is plus 324, and this one is minus 1 into 0 is nothing but 0. So guys, we are able to get x square minus 5x plus 324 is one of the equations, quadratic equations. Now let us solve this equation. So out of that the two parts, like out of the equations, like from the Marvel's equation, like how much John is holding and how much Jivanti is holding, and with the values we are able to get a quadratic equation of this form, x square plus 45x plus 324. Now our main aim is to solve this quadratic equation. So let's see how to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, now 324, guys, I believe you very well know like how to solve this type of quadratic equation, but still I'm going to show you. 324 here we have, like let us find out the factors of 324. Okay, 324, let me divide it with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 are 3, 162, and again 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, and 9 9s are 81. So guys, we are getting like 2 into 2 into 9 into 9. Okay, our main objective is like our equation should be such that we are going to partition this 45 in such a way that adding the two parts will give minus 45x and multiplying the two parts will get 324. Now guys, what we will do, this 9 to the 18 to the 36. So 36, if I take this 36 plus 9, I am getting 45. So I believe this one will have, and 36 into 9 is nothing but 324. So what I will do, x square minus, and our resultant is minus, so 9 to the 18 to the 36. So I will write minus 36x minus 9x, because minus 36x minus 9x is nothing but minus 45x, plus, and minus 36 into minus 9 will give plus 324. So this easily satisfies the equation. Now just moving x as a common factor, so moving x outside, I am getting x minus 36 one part, and similarly the other part will be x minus 36, and I can write minus 9, because minus 9 into x will become minus 9x, and minus 9 into minus 36 will become plus 324 is equal to 0. So the two equations that we are getting is here is like x minus 9, x minus 36 is one equation, and the other part is x minus 9 is equal to 0. Or we can write, we are getting two values of x here, so we can write one as x minus 36 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 36, and the other is as x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 9. So guys, we are able to find out two values of x. That means we can say either initially John was holding 36 marbles and Jivanti was holding 9 marbles, because this 36 plus 9 gives 45. Or if we take the other way, John might be holding 9 marbles and Jivanti might be holding 36 marbles. So that is our answer. Hope guys you understood this calculation, because it, as per the question, it asks us to find out at the start how many marbles each people are holding. So we could see 36 plus 9 is 45. Either John is holding 36 marbles or Jivanti is holding 36 marbles. If John is holding 36, Jivanti is holding 9 marbles. If John is having 9 marbles, Jivanti is having 36 marbles. That's our answer. Hope guys you understood this process. This process is very easy, but we need to find out the direction in which way we need to move. Guys, if you really like my videos, kindly subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.